How to fix low volume error in Roblox. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can fix low volume from Roblox. So in order to start, the first thing that you can do is check the volume of your own system. So make sure that you increase the system volume to maximum and check if your hardware is correct, which means check your speakers, and if you're using any Bluetooth or any other auxiliary device, check the wired connection and other things as well. Then one of the important settings that most people overlook can be found within this more option, and then click on to the settings option, and from here click on device preferences, and as here you can see, this volume toggle is usually set to a very lower scale. You can see that currently my system's audio is set to 100%, but my Roblox setting is set to a very low amount. So this can cause potential issues, so make sure that you turn it towards the right hand side and increase it as much as possible, especially if you are hearing very low audio. So hopefully these are some of the methods which can get your Roblox audio back to normal. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.